just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to change the oil, air filter, and spark plug on my Honda. Now this model is HRR2. This is one that we got from, I think, Home Depot. So right off the bat, this is where our air filter is located. You want to take these two tabs off. This comes right off. Now look how dirty that is. So I'm probably just going to throw it out. I'm not even going to clean it. We are replacing it with this one. You can pick these up at, you know, any Home Depot, Lowe's. They sell them. It just slides in just like this. Get it nice and tight. And then you put the cover back on. Bottom first. Next, we're going to be changing out the spark plug, which is right here. Take this wire out. Right here. Got a little spark plug tool. Put that right in. Okay. See, time for a new one. We're going to be putting in right here. Same thing with the air filter. You get these at any Home Depot. I always like to hand tighten first. I'm going to keep this off because I'm also going to do the oil and clean out the bottom, so I don't want the machine to start. That's a safety feature whenever you're working on a lawnmower. You know, always try to disengage the spark plug. Next, we're going to change the oil, which is located on this side. Cardboard to absorb it, because we're going to have to tilt it up. We don't want the oil going everywhere. These funnels, man's best friend. Okay, as you can see, this is well overdue for an oil change. It's nice and dark. Let's clean this up a little bit. And as you can see, the cardboard comes in handy. Okay, so what we're going to be using is, should we use the Toro? Yeah, we're going to use the Toro. I have the Toro Top It Off engine oil. This probably isn't enough, so we're gonna use 2 of these. Not really, not 2, but we're gonna use whatever's left in this one. There's not that much, maybe a little less than a half. Okay. Okay. Funnel there. Probably go half on this one. Okay. Now let's clean this up again. Put the dipstick back in. Okay, clean up any oil residue on the mower. Make sure it's nice and tight. Check to see if I have any gas in here. Pretty sure I do. Yeah, I do. And we'll start her up.